Hello guys, welcome back again to another easy to follow tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to make beautiful yarn flower using cotton bud. Please follow along as I guide you step by step through the process of creating this charming craft. This stunning masterpiece is perfect for adding a touch of handmade elegancy to your projects. Now, get any two-color wool of your choice and cotton buds. Wrap the first color of wool on the cotton bud for first, second, third, and fourth layers. Attach needle at the extension of the wool. Use that to sew and secure the wool. Cut open one side of the cotton bud and pass needle and wool inside the spindle of the cotton bud. Push the cotton bud out, then sew to secure the wool and form a round shape. So make the first color of wool 6 little pieces and the second color 3 pieces. The next thing you do is to sew together the 6 pieces and set it aside. Then you sew together the 3 pieces. Attach a medium-sized bead at the center to make the design flawless. At this point, join the designs to make a beautiful woolen flower. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I believe you all will find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon.